Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to see the next problem on how to make an equation exact. So in this one equation will be given of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. First we will find the partial derivative of m with respect to y and partial derivative of n with respect to x, and we will check whether these two are equal or not. In this case it will not be equal. When this is not equal, we will check is this equation is of the form fxy into y dx plus f2xy comma y into x dy equal to 0. If this given equation is not exact and if this equation is of the form this, then our integrating factor is given by 1 upon mx minus 1 upon ny. Then we multiply this integrating factor with this equation and then we will get new equation and we will again solve this. Okay, so this is the solution of this type of problem in nutshell, and our question is solve this. As you can see, this equation is of the form m dx plus n dy. So what is the value of m? M is nothing but this value, which is xy square plus y. What is n? N is nothing but this value, so n is x plus x square y plus x cube y square. So now we are going to find partial derivative of m with respect to y, and x is constant. So x is constant, so x remain as it is. What is derivative of y square? Derivative of y square is 2 into y, and derivative of y is 1. Similarly, we are going to find the derivative of n with respect to x and treating y as constant. So derivative of x is 1, derivative of x square is 2x, and this y remain as it is. What is derivative of x cube is 3x square and y square as it is. So as you can see, if you compare these two equations are not same. So this given differential equation is not exact, but we have to make this equation exact. And this equation, first you observe this part. In this part, if we take y common, I will get x into y plus 1 into y in this dx as it is. And in this equation, if I take x term common, I will get 1 plus xy plus x square y square into x dy equal to 0. So this given equation is not exact, but we have to make this equation exact, but this equation can be represented in this equation, and this equation is of the form of this type. As you can see, this is function f of x comma y, where either here x and y both terms are present and y is outside into dx, plus this equation is also a function of x comma y, that is f2 x comma y, and this x is outside and this dy equal to 0. So this equation can be represented in this form, and this equation is of the form of f1x comma y into y dx plus f2x comma y x dy equal to 0. Then our integrating factor is given by this equation, so we will find the integrating factor. So the integrating factor is 1 upon mx minus ny. What is m? So m in our case is x y square plus y multiplied by this x, then minus n. What is n? N in our case is x plus x square y plus x cube y square multiplied by this y. So if I take this x inside the bracket and if I take this y inside the bracket, we will get equation as 1 upon, so this x and this x will multiply, we will get x square y square plus xy. And if I take this y inside and this minus sign also inside, we will get minus xy minus x square y square minus x cube y cube. So this x square y square plus x square y square and minus x square y square will get cancelled. This plus xy and minus xy will also get cancelled, and we are remain only with 1 upon x cube into y cube and minus sign. So this is our integrating factor, and now we are going to multiply this integrating factor with the given equation. So the given equation is xy square plus y dx plus x square y plus x cube y square dy equal to 0. So to make this equation exact, we will multiply this equation by integrating factor, and our integrating factor is minus x cube y cube. So this minus sign can be taken on the right hand side, so it will become plus, and it is multiplied by 0, so we can neglect this minus sign. So if I multiply this x cube y cube with each term inside the bracket,